You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal.
Welcome back, Molly Vloggers, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Over here, I do lifestyle, organization, motherhood, inspirational, and just random vlogs. This content is made for everyone and every gender at every stage of life. So I hope you enjoyed today's video because this one is a special one. You know you have a junk drawer in your house just like I do. So I decided to do a video about organizing that junk drawer because, oh my goodness, mine was filled with so many random things. I just had to get a hold of it. So I went over to Burlington and got these acrylic organization storage containers. They're all under $10 a piece. And I hope you get some inspiration to tackle your junk drawer as well. With any organization project, the best way to get started is to remove all the contents. You can't see where you're going if you have stuff everywhere. So for me, I need to take everything out. So step 2, of course, is to clean, and I would say this is one of the most satisfying steps for me because I just love seeing emptiness. I don't know, I'm in this minimalist type phase, so seeing an empty drawer, empty spaces in my home just brings me so much clarity and peace, and that's what I'm all about. Now that everything is out and I have cleaned out the drawer and the organizers that I recently purchased, I'm going to figure out a way to put everything that I still want back in the drawer. This part I sped up, but it did take me a couple hours to find out like where I wanted to place everything. So I just tried to utilize the containers that I had because I wanted to still have some space for like books and manuals and stuff like that I keep in this drawer as well. But stuff that is commonly needed for the household, like batteries and just like random stuff, I keep in the kitchen junk drawer so that I know where it's at and it's easy for everybody in the household to find it.
To what we used to be, but I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe? Won't you love me the old kind of new way?
Well, I hope that this inspires you to open up your junk drawer and get it all nice and organized. I would love to hear what you all are doing to organize your spaces at home and make it easier for you to find stuff and just to live in general. So I'm going to be quiet for a little bit until towards the end of the video, but I hope this gives you lots of motivation to fix your junk drawer as well.
Just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? The old kind of new way. Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Old kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh baby.
So this was the last final step before I finished up this project, but it was definitely the most tedious. I wasn't sure how to organize the manuals, and then I decided that I should just put them in 2 categories to make it simple. So all the manuals that were kitchen related for my appliances and Instant Pot and the little contraptions I use in the kitchen, I put in a bag, a Ziploc bag, and then put it back in the junk drawer. And the other manuals I just took out of the kitchen altogether.
Love me like yesterday.
Wow, what a transformation. I hope that this inspires you to organize your spaces in your home as well. And that concludes today's video. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe for future content. Have a blessed day.